lately I've had so many people wondering if they can do affiliate marketing on Facebook for free, or if they have to pay money, if they have to know how to do ads. And in this video, I'm going to show you why none of that's even true, and you can do affiliate marketing on Facebook in 2019 100% free, and we're getting started right now. Hey, Thomas Garetz here. Thanks for tuning in. So like I said, I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing on Facebook for free. But before we get into that, if you're new to this channel, what I do here is everything affiliate marketing, make money online. And if that's the kind of content you're interested in, consider going below and subscribing. But make sure you hit that notification bell so then you get notified every time I upload. So now I'm going to hop into my computer and I want to show you step by step how to get started with affiliate marketing on Facebook. Let's get into it. All right, welcome to my computer. So if you're gonna start doing affiliate marketing on Facebook, or any business on Facebook for that matter, you have to decide if you're gonna use a Facebook page or you're gonna use your Facebook profile. Okay, so the difference between that, so this is my Facebook page, which is like a business page, and then this is my Facebook profile, which is just like your regular profile. Okay, so the benefits for having a profile are that you're gonna get way more engagement and way more reach. Okay, what that means is more people are going to see your posts. Okay, Facebook has announced like very openly that on business pages, your organic reach is lowered because they want you to pay money. It's a business, they want you to pay money to get people to see your posts. So on the other side of that, the benefit to the Facebook page is that you can actually boost your posts, run ads, retarget. Okay, but I think that's a little more advanced. And when you're just starting out, I 100% suggest to spend as little money as possible on your business. So anyways, once you've picked your platform, if you're going to do a profile or a page, I suggest doing a profile. It's just much easier starting out and you don't got to worry about ads or none of that stuff. You have to pick a niche. Okay, so for me, I'm in the affiliate marketing niche, how to make money online. Okay, so you could do affiliate marketing for any niche. You could do it for weight loss, you could do it for working out, you could do it for dog walking, cooking, so many things, right? So anyways, you have to pick a niche, right? And that's the first step. But once you have that figured out, if you want to run a successful business online, you need to have an email service so you can collect emails. It's called an email autoresponder, and you can get those for anywhere from like $10 to $30 a month. Not very expensive. But then you need something like a page builder. Okay, so first of all, for me, for my email autoresponder, I use ConvertKit. I think they're the most beginner friendly. And for my page builder, I use ClickFunnels. And it's just so much more simple, but ClickFunnels is gonna be $100 a month, $97 a month, and ConvertKit is gonna be about $30. Okay, so there is a few payments that you need. However, you can use something like Google Sites. I made this page in like, I don't know, 20 minutes, and it's just a basic page, but you could just change it up to have it be like for your ebook, right? And also in ConvertKit, they actually have something where you can create landing pages. Okay, so you could only use ConvertKit and not worry about anything else. So for example, you could use this and you could put your ebook here, and they have an opt-in form to enter emails. So you could just use ConvertKit. And honestly, if I went back, I would just start out with that. And for your affiliate offers, you could make pages on Google Sites for free. So anyways, it's a little bit more difficult with automation and all that stuff on Google Sites, but it's possible. So anyways, that's my advice to you. You need those if you're starting a business on affiliate marketing, or really any online business. You just need those things. Okay, and by the way, the two links to ClickFunnels and ConvertKit are in the description below. But if you're bootstrapping it and you don't have much of a budget, just get ConvertKit. You can use it for everything. It's perfect for just starting out. So anyways, that's my advice there. But once you have that figured out, you have to make a lead magnet, a free offer. And this is my lead magnet. I use an ebook and I created it in CANVA. You can see right here. Mine's pretty long, so I personally wouldn't suggest doing an ebook. Okay, you could make something simple like a YouTube checklist. This is from Mark Harbert. You can see it's so much more simple to make. It's like 6 pages, and you can see it looks good and it's just basic. And this is gonna be much easier to make and just better in my opinion. The ebook, I love it, but it just took so much time to make, and it's got a lot of value in it, but it's very long. And a lot of people aren't looking to read that much, okay? So that's my advice there. But again, you could make your ebook or your cheat sheet in Canva, and I have videos showing you how to do that. I'll link it up above and down below if you want to check it out. So that's step 3. You pick your page or profile, you pick your niche, you pick which website you're going to use. I would just suggest ConvertKit, in my opinion. Honestly, it's going to be easy. You could use Google Sites and Google Forms, but the automation's not really going to be there. Yeah, you could get ClickFunnels too, especially if you already have ClickFunnels. I can just give you this landing page with a share funnel. So anyways, but again, so once you've done all that, you create your lead magnet and make sure it's directly related to your niche. And now you create your page. So you use the page builder that you picked that you're going to use. You create the landing page. So if you're going to use ConvertKit, you just make your ebook or your checklist. You put a picture here. You edit all this stuff. It's super simple. So now the next step is, while you're in Canva, you want to create a cover photo and what is called a featured photo. So this is what's called your Facebook profile funnel. Okay, I'm sure you know that when you're on Facebook, you click on people's name and you go check out their profile. So when people come to my profile, they're gonna see simple affiliate marketing. Click here, join now and get your free ebook. And it's the same thing right here, simple affiliate marketing, free Facebook group, right? Click here to join. And then I also have in my intro, this is the other spot. On mobile, you can't click the link, but my link's pretty simple that they could copy and paste it, but just know that. And then it used to be, a lot of people used to have an arrow pointing down on their featured photo. You've probably seen that before, but on desktop, the links are still here. But if you're on mobile, the links are above. So that's why I put click here. So that way, when they actually click on the photo in my cover or my featured photo, then they can actually see in the description that they can click that link. And in Canva, when you're creating the cover photo and that stuff, you got to be careful because on mobile and on desktop, it's going to show up differently. So there's like some dead zone, so to speak, on the sides. So if you want a copy of my picture to use it as a template, just let me know in the comments below. I'm more than happy to give it to you so you can use it as like knowing where the cutoffs are. You know what I mean? Because it took me a while to get it perfect on desktop and mobile. So if you used mine as a template, you know where not to put stuff, right? And all you want to do is on the cover, you want to put a picture of yourself and basically what your niche is, right? Like affiliate marketing, or I help you do this, or there's many things you can do. I'd suggest just going to other people in your niche, seeing what they're doing and modeling it. That means basically just taking it as inspiration and doing something like they're doing, okay? So now you have your Facebook funnel finished, right? So in my opinion, you want to be posting on Facebook at least once a day. Okay, I personally have a Facebook group, which I do suggest you starting. But if you're doing anything else, okay, if you're doing blogging, YouTube, all that, I do not suggest doing a Facebook group. I suggest just starting out, starting only with your Facebook profile and your Facebook group, if this is going to be your strategy. Don't add anything else in until you're making money with just that, okay? It's so much work if you're going to be doing other things. Trust me, I know. But that's my suggestion there. So if you're making a Facebook group, that's great. If not, totally fine. A lot of people don't have Facebook groups and they just talk to people through Messenger. Okay, so now what you want to do to get traffic is you want to join Facebook groups that are a part of your niche. Okay, so let's say affiliate marketing is your niche. So right here, I joined a few of the affiliate marketing Facebook groups. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into these Facebook groups and spam them. No, I'm just kidding. So never go into Facebook groups and spam. You'll get kicked out instantly. So what you want to do is you want to provide value. Okay, so in these groups, when someone's asking a question, go in here and answer the question and do not ask them to message you or let me know if you have any questions or message me if you have any more questions. Do not say stuff like that. A lot of Facebook groups do not like that. People know what you're doing. They can smell that from 1,000 miles away. Seriously. So just answer the question, be helpful, provide value, expecting nothing in return. And trust me, I'll show you right now how many friend requests I have. See all. I can't even get to them all. I have 137 friend requests and I accept a lot. Like every week I accept a lot. So trust me, this stuff works And what you want to be doing is just going in not 20 Facebook groups, okay? Go in like 3, 4, maybe 5 and try to get into them daily. Do like 30 minutes a day on each or something. So it takes work, I'll be honest with you. But trust me, if this is your strategy, you will get people to your profile and they will go to your cover or use your call to actions, okay? So now, rather than just posting once a day, this is where it gets fun. You want to start doing live videos, okay? And I know it sounds tough if you've never been on camera, but videos, especially live videos, they get like 3 times more views or watch time, I forget what it said, and 10 times the number of comments as just regular uploaded videos. So trust me, it's the best way to go, okay? So one thing you could do is if you have a Facebook group, when you first start out, you could just post the live on your profile, share it to your Facebook group, and just do that. But once you get about 100 members in your Facebook group, what you're going to want to do is do exclusive lives in your Facebook group, okay? So that's what I 100% suggest doing. Totally up to you how you want to do that. But what you want to do in your lives is you want to just talk to them, you want to tell them stories, and at the end of it, you want to say, hey, if you want to learn more about whatever your niche is, I have a free PDF, a free download. Just go to this page. And then what they do is they go to that page, they opt in, you have them on your email list now. So that's when you're going to start providing value on emails, and that's when you can send them offers, okay? Because you don't want to be linking directly to affiliate links on Facebook. They really don't like that. When you even link to a YouTube video or anything like that, Facebook is smarter than you think. Your engagement and your reach on that post is going to go down to nothing. It's pretty bad. So you can see right here, 35 likes right here. Let me find a YouTube video. You can see I have 4 likes on my YouTube video that I shared. You know what I mean? So Facebook knows, okay? So just so you know, and for me, what I do is in my Facebook group, I don't go live a ton because I do YouTube. But if I wasn't doing YouTube, I would try and do like a 30-day challenge or at least do like 3 or 4 lives a week just to get you going, get you started, right? Because you're not gonna be good on camera right away. Watch my first video on YouTube. It's not great. I personally talk to people all day at my job, so I'm pretty good at talking, but just talking to a camera, it's not the easiest thing at the start, okay? So again, that's your strategy. And another strategy I didn't tell you, so when you go to these Facebook groups, so we'll go back to groups. So you go to affiliate marketing, you can go to groups right here and find them. But if you go into these groups, you can go to members, okay? And then if you scroll down, you can see right here, new to the group, okay? So you can add these people. Some of them may not accept, it's totally fine. But in my opinion, what I personally do, I'm not gonna lie, I did this a little bit to the ClickFunnels group. I added maybe like 10, 15 people every couple days. And that works all right, but you can find out pretty quick that some of them don't accept, some of them are like, who's this guy, right? But if you're providing value in the Facebook group, and after a while you can make some posts in the Facebook group, just value posts, do not try and sell anything in the group, trust me. Unless you talk to the group owner, that's the difference. But if you're providing value, you're gonna get likes on Facebook. Like for example, in a group I'm in, I made a post and I got like 60 or 70 likes. So each day, every time it's getting comments or likes, I would just add those people as a friend, okay? And they're like, oh, this is the guy that just made the post in this group, okay? So that's kind of how I do it, and it works great. And also you'll get a lot of people adding you because of that. So that's how I suggest doing it. And after a while, you're gonna wanna pick a paid program so you can market to people in these emails or what have you, right? So my suggestion, just starting out, you could go to something like ClickBank, which is just an affiliate network. So this is ClickBank, it's free to join, and you can just go to affiliate marketplace and you can just pick out of here for your niches and you could go there and get offers, okay? But honestly, the quality on some of these, I'm not saying they're all bad, but some of them aren't the best quality, okay? So that's when I suggest that you go down below to the first link in the description, and that's my #1 recommendation to make money online. And it's just the best training out there if you plan on doing affiliate marketing. And what that is it's called Legendary Marketer. And this is gonna jumpstart you to getting started with affiliate marketing. They give you a 15-day challenge. It's a business builder challenge. That's Legendary's front end offer, and it's just so valuable. It gets you started online and helps you learn like what you need to do, the best things that work right now. It's not outdated. They give you the strategies, the mindset. It's an amazing training, and it's only $7. So once you have all that set up, you got to have your lead magnet, but then you want to have a paid program that you can be promoting via email. Okay, so this is what I suggest. They have a very lucrative affiliate program, and the training is top notch. It changed my life, and it can definitely change yours too. And again, to get Legendary Marketer, it's the first link in the description, but I have a full tutorial I did on Legendary. If you want to learn a little more about it, you can watch this video right here. But just make sure you hit that like button to support the channel. Really appreciate it. And you can subscribe to the channel by clicking my face right here. And that's all I got. See you on the next video.